So, alright, good morning, America. It's, I don't know, sometime after 10 o'clock. Just finished about an hour and a half, 2 hours or so of shoveling, snow blowing, and taking care of the neighbors and myself. This is what 12 inches in less than 12 hours looks like. It's really not that bad, it's just where the heck does it all go? So, here's a front porch, it's the house. That's my snow rake for the roof here. You don't want the snow to accumulate and make ice dams, so you gotta take it off, otherwise it leaks to your house. These steps, gotta be careful. So I had cleaned this off last night, the deck that is, and it blew over here, so I had to take care of that. Neighbor snow people. So there's my path. Did the neighbors. See them up there at the top. They're having fun. This truck is keeping me going. There's Katie's car there in the back, tucked away. That's where Katie's car was this morning, so I took it out. Well, that was fun. You can see the plows haven't come through here yet. I figure they won't come by until tomorrow. I got a lot of other stuff to worry about. Neighbor down the street. You see that car there at the end of the street before Long John Silver's? That's stuck. It ain't going anywhere. I already tried to help move it, but I couldn't. So there's the house. It's doing just fine. Not as much snow as I would have thought on the roof, so I'm actually not going to finish doing the snow raking. Maybe this afternoon when I feel better or relaxed a bit more. So, let's go get this guy. There you go. So they're having fun. Oh, there's my snowblower. It's freaking Haas. Fortunately, I left it out last night, so it wasn't doing so well. Looked like I was getting a little bit of oil leak somewhere around here, or maybe it was just rust. That's still not good either. So we'll have to look at that later. It was doing just fine. Start it up. Chug lug lug. Here's Katie's car. I got it in here just now. Safe and sound. Let the plows go by. Have no problems. So, this is Andrew. Enjoying the weather. It's cold, but the house is warm. I don't gotta go to work today. Yeehaw. Y'all have a good one, America.